Welcome to Stay Smart Adventures, and this is the Cape Rey Carlsbad Beach at Hilton Resort and Spa. This is a small boutique luxury hotel. Location is what makes this resort special. You're about 10 minutes from Legoland, outlet shopping, and a beautiful golf course. You're across the street from the beach, and the hotel provides a beach butler service included in your stay. They pick you up and drop you off and have loungers, umbrellas, sand toys, and towels waiting for you. This is the hotel restaurant Chandler's, and it's excellent. And here is the room. This is a pool view 2-queen room. The room sleeps 4. Here are the beds. You have your TV. They include water bottles, 2 reusable bottles that you can use at refill stations, and you get to take them home. A Keurig coffee machine with some K-cups. And although this is a pool view room, you do have a partial view of the beach, which you'll see in a second. The pool is wonderful, and those rooms on the left are balcony ocean view rooms, which if you can swing it, I highly recommend to get one of those rooms. It looked like a lot of fun watching people just sit on the decks reading books. We're going to make our way to the bathroom. Here's the closet. You also get a pair of robes, which are very soft and wonderful. The room overall has a classic feel to it, but it could use a refresh. Not much in terms of theme. The bathroom was modern. Nice walk-in shower. So we're going to head out and make our way down to the pool. The pool is wonderful. You'll find a hot tub. There's also a spa and fitness center on site. For me, the biggest negatives are the resort and parking fees. Otherwise, I generally enjoyed the stay here. I'm rating this hotel a go, especially if you're spending time in Carlsbad. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.